cases, so the emergency crews are going to show up. Okay, well, what we're going to do...
Is this a restaurant, man?
We're going to go out here and tell them how many people's in there. 4. Okay. We're going to go out right now and tell any emergency services there's 4 people trapped in the house. What? Man, my phone does not, got no signal.
No podemos hacer nada porque sí se está very
That's a refrigerator over there too. Here's a fridge.
Man, I have no signal.
You have any signal?
No towers are not there.
Okay. They don't have any signal either.
First, they should dispatch.
Yeah, we can see y'all down in there.
We just they trying to get these out over here where we can try to lift this.
All right, look, Brad, listen to me. We've got everything directly above our heads.
Right.
Okay?
Yep.
This thing is supporting what little is not on top of our head.
Right.
We see that.
We're gonna try to. Here in a minute, we're gonna get enough folks to try to.
Flashlight. Try and get.
That family over there. They're all accounted for. You already checked. Randy, don't go too far in there, man. That roof falls in on you.
See anything?
Anybody in there? Hello?
Here's a door we needed earlier to help. Shine it in there. My flashlight ain't very bright, but
Hello?
I don't see anybody going on.
Wait a minute.
Shine it in here. Huh? Well, I'll screenshot a picture out of it, just because we used a flashlight.
Footage.
Wow. Wonder where it came from. It wasn't here. Huh?
Randy locked the whole scene.
Huh? Yeah, shine right here. Shine back to the left. Unreal.
I had another house. I got another house up there.
The name of it? Okay, here comes the emergency officials. My light. I had a light. Yeah. He was chasing and drove into it. We got flat now. Where'd Eric go? This Family Dollar over here?
Yeah, well, I don't know about Family Dollar, but
So let's check on him, see how he's doing. see a little like a possible funnel straight up. Yeah, look. Yeah, now it's starting to get some rain, but look right up that way. Yeah, on this side of the rain. Looks like these guys decided to come back this way. Yeah, I wouldn't worry about that. Turn the high beams off, fucktard.
I mean, it wouldn't hurt to pull on the side of the road for a second.
It probably wouldn't. We're starting to get some rain now. I mean, we're... Okay, I'm getting wet now.